How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Metal TV not clipping moments. So as an example, I'm going to launch a Roblox game right here just to show you how easy it is to fix this problem. And then let's open up Metal.tv, and most users encounter the problem by not detecting the game itself. So if your game is not detected, you can navigate through Metal.tv, and in here you want to click on this window, and normally it's going to be inside requested. So just click on the actual game itself, and then you will be able to record it manually by using your hotkey. So you could set up your hotkey by navigating through this shortcut options right here. And here you have your hotkey, you have your duration, and I've also enabled auto clipping, so in that way when something happens in certain games, it will actually clip that. Now in here, if your game is not being detected, just click add game, click Windows, and then you want to select the game that you want to record. Now as of the moment, this is the only software that's opened on my window. You could also click on desktop, and then you could record your entire desktop if you want to. And heading back to auto clipping, I've actually enabled the Roblox for Roblox event, which is going to be this one. And now that we have set everything up, let's go ahead and do some fighting on our game right here, which is really awesome. And then after a couple of seconds, let's now go ahead and clip this. So let's press our hotkey, and in here it will say save the last 15 seconds. So that means we are good to go. Head back to Metal.tv, click on library, and here it is. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.